The country of Malta is made up of 3 different islands. So now I'm gonna go leave the main island of Malta and go check out some of the other islands. So this is the island of Gozo. So I've been thinking of Gozo as just another island here in Malta, but the people here really seem to think of themselves as almost a different country than Malta. The people here call themselves Gozonians, and their language, I guess, is a little different than Maltese. The island of Gozo is definitely a lot quieter than the main island of Malta, but you see a lot more interesting landscapes here.